Oh, hello, hello. Let's do our video intro start, and I'll come back to you in a second. Hello, welcome. So we are here, and today we are doing our 193 stream, mostly 200 streams from day zero, and it's nice. So we doing our late night talks again. Today I'm not up to very long talk because yeah, I need to return slightly under control in my time and yeah, other circumstances. Right now I'm going to check sound very quick. Okay, sound check is complete. Now I'm going to, I could show you, it could be that transition to my stream and I use part of my um, open source uh, YouTube AI helper just to start those two programs, which are a live transcriber and is our live chatbot. So live chatbot already connected and he says, hi everyone, chatbot is active. And that program, which is my live chatbot, I mean, live transcriber, is also started. As you see, I'm using Whisper here. In that version of Whisper, I'm using it without GPU enabled, so I use not the latest, not the most powerful model like Turbo or large model with version 3 or version 2, but I use something like medium or base model. Let's see if it, yeah, I don't see which model actually it's using very quickly. Yeah, anyway, so we executed Whisper and but it's transcribing me pretty well. Again, we are not use the transcription anywhere except for the live chat. So when you write some question to the live chat, it's took a recent context from that file, the most recent transcription file from our stream, and it's use it to provide a response to you. So if you ask what I missed in that stream or something like that, it will use it. So it's totally open source free, but yeah, it requires some time to properly configure it. Not too much, of course, but yeah, I'm still have to create some videos for that. So what else? I believe today the people started, not people, OpenAI. So let's maybe go to some OpenAI, openai.com. Um, they still haven't created Stargate yet. I mean, it's not one day operation, of course. It's require a lot of time. But as far as I heard that Microsoft said that they are okay to provide $80 billion investment into that from their side. So most probably the initial $100 billion they will gather. So let's see and be excited what's going next in that field. And I believe today it's what we saw. It's they started a computer using agents, or basically it's called operator. And let's see what is it. Today we introduced a research preview of operator, an agent that can go to the web to perform tasks for you. Powering operator is computer using agents and models that combine GPT-4 vision capabilities with advanced reasoning through reinforcement learning. So that computer using agents is trained to interact with graphical user interface, the buttons, menus, text fields people see on the screen, just as humans do. Nice. This gives its flexibility to perform digital tasks without using OS or web-specific APIs. So while Core is still early and has some limitation, it set new state-of-art benchmark results, achieving some number success rate on OS Word for full compute user task and 58% on Web Arena and 87% on Web Voyager for web-based tasks. So in line, okay, preview is operator chat for prior users in US and to start. How it works? Let's see. Task as a text. Please write a document about OpenAI history. Screenshot as an image. Action. Looking at the history of OpenAI, click, type OpenAI. Commands are applied to the VM, install virtual machine, and he processes raw pixel data to understand what's happening on the screen and use virtual mouse and keyboard to complete actions. Why it's executing? So it can navigate multi-step tasks, handle errors, and adapt to unexpected changes. This enables CUA to act in wide range of digital environments, performing tasks like filtering out forms or navigating websites without needing specialized APIs. So it could do type, click, computer, benchmarks, browser use, grammar quiz, and grammar quiz what? User prompt. Go to the plus section of grammar Cambridge Dictionary, finish a recommended grammar quiz without login and tell me the final score. Nice. Total refund. User prompt. Initialize a computer and solve the following task. How much refund I should expect from my order? Cancel it in February, including shipping fee. The following websites are available at one-stop shop site. All you need is to provide that website. Start the task and go. Ooh, it's pretty big. Polynomials. Uh, User prompt. Order 6 means you have 6 identical squares to combine different shapes. How many combinations are there? Looking at all the shapes in the result, how many of them have only 2 rows in total? Nice. Update license. Initialize computer and solve the following task. Make a license of mandates all copies. Find customer. Initialize computer and solve the following task. Tell me email address, name, phone number of a customer who has the most cancellation in history. The following websites available at Magneta. Magneta sites admin. All you need is on the provided website. Start the task from the URL here. Here are tips for using when add new product in the catalog. Interesting. Interesting. It's interesting how it could do and login here, or it use my browser. Okay, let's see operator on its website. A research preview of agent that can use its own browser to perform tasks for you. Get started. Learn more. Learn more probably would be OpenAI index introducing operator, correct? Yeah, but we so all the things, find customer, computer use, Okay. Download lectures. The following show examples navigating a variety of standardized word tasks. I want to learn Python programming, and my friend recommended me this course website. I have grabbed the lecture site for week 0. Please download the PDF other weeks and open folder. Leave the file name as is. Here's the helpful tips. Computer clipboard sync for the Thunderbird account. My computer is password. Password is password. Account Z. The password is Z. If you present it with okay, so you need to pass all the security breach. Security breach. Combine PDFs. Please, following task. Could you help me merge all PDF files in paper recommendation email attachment in Thunderbird into the one file and upload attachments in Google Drive? Can I stop it? I just really want to do some prompt, but really, it looks like it's do a lot of things. Calculate price, export images. So looks like so category interacting with the various UI components to accomplish task. Search Britannica for a detailed map view of bear habitats. Now please check out the black, brown, and polar bear links to provide a concise general overview of physical. I want one of those target deals. Can check. I'm planning to shift to Seattle and want you to search Redfin for a townhouse with at least 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom, and energy efficient design. My budget is between, haha, not possible in Seattle, and should be ideally be close to, okay, that is not big size, so maybe somewhere far from Seattle, maybe it's possible. Task can be accomplished through repeated simple UI interaction. Create a new project in to-do list title weekend grocery shopping, add the following shopping. Search Spotify for the most popular songs of US and create a playlist with the list and tracks. Only if prompts include detailed hints on how to use websites. Struggling to use unfamiliar UI and text editing. Use HTML5 editor and input the following text on the left side, then edit. Okay. Safety, because first agentic product with ability to directly take actions in browser, it brings new risks. Yes, because you need to send it passwords. You need to send it passwords. We prepared for deployment of operator. We did extensively safety testing and implemented mitigation across 3 major classes of safety: misuse, model mistakes, and frontier risks. We believe it's important to take a layer approach to safety, so we implement safeguards across the whole deployment content. Okay, the first category is misuse. Okay, it's trained to refuse many harmful tasks or illegal regulated activities. Cannot access websites that we've blocked, such as many gambling sites, adult entertainment, drug or gun retailers. Moderation. Okay. Offline detection. Okay. Second, model mistakes. Okay. And adversarial attack on websites. Monitoring. Okay. Finally, we evaluated frontier risk, including scenarios involving autonomous replication and biorisk tooling. Okay. Conclusion. Okay. It's really interesting. So let's see what it says. We ask for book. Find me a family-friendly campsite at somewhere this weekend. You try to find some campsite and what? Book it. Okay. Try separator research preview. So let's try. We can have a save prompts, which is nice. Take control at any time with a click. Next. Can make mistakes. Remote browser and retain screenshot of its action. Okay, don't do anything illegal. Okay, agree and continue. So what it could do, delivery, dining, shopping, come on, travel is interesting, news. Okay, let's look the summarize the latest AI news and let's see how it will work. So I believe it we have ability to save the task, and here we have that AI news summary, and we can start new conversation. So access, we click in on artificial intelligence. What's going on with my browser? Okay, notifications. Get deeper. Selecting, checking for recent, return to article, accessing full article, reading the article, summarizing, gathering information, scrolling, reviewing the article for additional details, reviewing the article for additional details, summarizing article, using clipboard. OpenAI operator performs web tasks like filling form and ordering products. Built on GPT-4, it's navigate digital environment safely. Currently, it's available to OpenAI subscribers. Nice. So, which executive orders were signed by Donald Trump today? Please return a list ranked by importance. And let's see. Nice, interesting. And why it's so? Probably let's start new and importance, executive orders, and where, of course, we signed by today. Let's see. Okay, as part of new task, it can do. So where it will go? Probably, okay, just search in Chrome. Nice. Selecting 6 ABC News articles reviewing orders. Okay, it's first day in office. It's January 21st. We need to search for January 24 orders. Yes. Oh, nice. We can jump to live. Nice. It's in, you see, it's basically even It's returning it, open new tabs. So it's like starting the full virtual environment and trying to understand Microsoft rewards pop up now. So site is unavailable on that computer, New York Times. Okay. Yeah, it's interesting. Of course, if we provide its ability to log into some websites, it could do a lot of stuff, interesting stuff. So basically, it's an agent which you can talk to do something on computer. So it's not robot with hands and legs which can walk and yeah, water your plant at your home, but it can do whatever you are doing at your computer. Like you can ask it to go and I don't know, log into your system at work, for example. Of course, work will require most probably more. Okay, Ballotpedia. It's interesting. I never heard of that site, but it surely should be exist. So, and he looking for January 24. Maybe there are no executive orders today. But you see, it just do this task for me. I mean, I don't need to go and search anything. It's just doing everything for me. Really, if you have any idea what we can do with that thing, so yeah, it shows that pop-ups what is working on. Please let me know. I mm, I never tried, so I just discovered it today before the stream. So we could look into something with you because I understand it's not widely available. It's available only on territory of United States to pro users in ChatGPT. Of course, it's something really cool. Oh, it's even trying to see the videos now. So, timeline of Donald Trump presidency, Q1. Okay, nice Wikipedia page. Oh, nice. It show every day of what he's done. January 21st. Scrolling timeline. Will travel to Southern, okay, Southern California. So looks like no executive orders. I know that he was on that forum, economic forum. Come on, New York Times. Why are you not available on that machine? It's good machine. It's machine of ChatGPT. It's first day. Oh, come on. So we are working on that. Does it show any time? No. So we are working on that for how long? Why two tasks in progress? That one is finished. So let's return to Trump executive orders. Let's make it bigger. So looks like it's go to some cycle. You see? You see how many searches it try to do. So yeah, it's found few pretty nice websites, by the way. What he signed so far, and it's news from 20 hours ago. Maybe, maybe it will do something. It tried to search for article for January 24. Okay, but there are no dates here. Okay, then we will return. But the idea is nice. You can click somewhere, you can try to understand what to do, you can click, yeah, get the image, translate the image. I just, I don't know how much it will cost because there are many requests. So basically, every action, it need to take picture. It needs to, okay, virtual machine itself. Even if it's only browser, it still could be could cost something. And read more, read more. Yeah, click and read more. Cool. It understands that we need click read more. And manually searching. Okay, it's uploaded, but there are no entering key, selecting NBC4 link. Looks like we go in circles now. Yes, it's updated on January 20th. Man, you could see it on Google results page. There is no January 24. No January 24. Zero results. No. But I like it to know how to search in the page itself. The only thing that sometimes it's loading longer than so it's still loading, but it's already trying to search something. But I mean, it's so cool. It's so cool. Of course, it's a fictional task, not so fictional. Uh, we're trying to find something which looks like don't exist because no execution orders from today. Yeah, it's executive. So what it does, it says list now. And when it's okay, so it's try to work. Do we see how long? It's worked 9 minutes. Actually, it's not so long. I saw much longer. So 8 minutes. Just to say, I couldn't find any specific information in executive order signed by Donald Trump in January. Let's just try, I don't know, something like GPT for or for the same. Of course, it will reply for us in seconds, but most significant ranked by their potential impact has signed several, okay, as of January. So they just, so again, it's all happened before. It's on day one. Nice that it's a Spanish magazine, another Spanish. So something it was release secrets of JFK assassination and his brother. Yeah, it's something that happened today, if I'm not mistaken, but everything else not today. So I mean, those signed on January 24. Oh, actually, no publicly announced executive order. So, okay, I just forgot that it's already after midnight. It's after midnight, and Donald Trump, even if he works late, looks like, oh, mandate safety test. It's revoking now. Really, people, what you are doing? I mean, of course, you need to revoke something, some regulation to allow um, rocket speed development of AI, but I mean, it's so fast even without it. Declassification of assassination records. Yes. So 15 days to release JFK and 45 days to release RFK. And Martin Luther King archives. Nice. Leadership in digital financial technologies. Oh, David Sachs. It's Presidential Task Force on Digital Asset Markets. Nice. And Council of Advisor on Science and Technology. An executive order was signed to reestablish. So it's something exists before in first term of President Trump, and he just created once again. Advice on matters involving science, technology, education. Actually, it's nice. It's nice. Okay. And our operator request, of course, wouldn't took couldn't find anything because we asked to find on January 24. But for that task, you see how much faster results we could receive on from ChatGPT for or research capability. No publicly announced executive order. So yeah, it's very simple. So most probably, of course, operators should do something more interesting. Like let's see, for example, I do some work with HL7. Um, let's look for some SQL language. It's not SQL, it's SQL, it's clinical quality language. And it has multiple appendix here, and it has so some like author's guide, developer guide, and a reference and some SQL reference in appendix B. Let's ask it to, hey, I am looking at creating a good language SQL language reference in PDF format based on the information on website here. Let's see. Let's see. But again, let's start to look at it because I believe it will take more than maybe more than yeah, few minutes. So let's go to that website. Okay, open it. Now it should analyze. Does it have PDF reference? No, it doesn't. Full specification. Okay, blocked by your organization. Okay, attempting alternate access to specification. Yeah, it couldn't download it, couldn't download for some reason locally, which probably makes sense, but it's not fully create all capacity of your uh, local internet. Yeah, how it could work with internet on your local machine. Oh, nice. He trying to print it into the PDF, but it's not available on that machine. Okay. And what? What else? Yeah, of course, if we provide more hints here and we say just gather all the information from that website and use some free website to create um, PDFs, probably it will do better. So now I'm trying to go to Author's Guide, Chapter 2. Okay, first, okay, now it's clicked. Now he was able to go here. So of course, here PDF also will not work. Why? Okay, using developer tools to extract content. Really? Let's see. I don't see that is happening here, but yeah. Okay. What is do? Copying content from manual, saving. Okay. Entering key. Search online for document. Okay, it's doing good. It's doing good. Online document editor. Okay. What is the first link? Okay. It gets some help from. Oh, and you don't know how to log in into the Google, correct? Yeah. So he gets some proposition from Bart from Google AI. Expose. Okay, let's click expose. Create new document. Yes. Yeah. Cool. I like it. I like it. I know it's try very hard. It's try very hard to be successful. Of course, it's reviewing document. Adjust in formatting. Yeah. And what you do with adjust in formatting. I completed the content from the developer guide section on SQL reference into online document editor. Would you like me to proceed with downloading it as PDF? Yes. And sync in. Oh, no, 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 not possible. And copy everything. Okay. Save file. Let's see. Online notepad. Okay. Will online notepad will work? Okay. Okay, it would be TXT, not PDF, correct? Okay, let's try to insert it. Paste in the content. Attempting. Okay, paste it. Okay. Opening file menu to save content. Okay, save. Click save. Yes, of course I want PDF, but let's try to save as text file. Okay, let's sync. We need to click save. And okay, save as SQL developer. Okay, nice, nice attempt. And oh, really? It's downloaded here? Interesting, interesting. It was able to download it. Home, OpenAI share, SQL guide, txt. Let's see if it will be open. So it's possible to save at least from some websites. Interesting. Some websites don't allow you to download something and save. You saw it. Navigating to no access needed. Why you click? Why you click plugins? Please wait. Just wait. Renaming file to six sync issues. Accessing download folder to rename the file. Do you see anything he doing? Attempting to sync again. Okay, he refreshes the page. It's trying to download once again. And. Oh, come on. Refreshing once again. Share and. Okay, I don't see how it's renamed. Waiting. Please wait. Oh, okay. Let's try that and see if it will show our folder at all. You don't have any extensions. Yeah, please wait until it will load. Oh, come on. You like waiting as much as me. Mm, okay, waiting for tab to finish loading. Let's wait. Let's wait together. Waiting, waiting. How it could see that it's still loading? Maybe on that blue. Oh, no, no, no. Closing tab. Yeah. And why click extensions? Man, you need click downloads. Okay, download, access and download folders for the file. Which tab? Oh, work not signed. Yes. Ron Hyken. Ron Hyken. Closing profile. Okay, access and download folder via manager. And what you'll do? Oh, you need to click three dots. Three dots. Ah. Okay. Of course, it wouldn't be indefinite loop because after several retries, it say, okay, I don't know what to do, please, or I don't know. So I believe there are some parameter which says how much it should try. So most probably it will try maybe 5 times, maybe 10 times. I don't think more than 10 times. So at some point it should say, okay, I couldn't download the file. Can you do it manually? I don't know how. Maybe something like that. Okay. Yeah, looks like it's in bad shape. So let's review how it done. So let's click somewhere so it wouldn't say us for live. Initially, it's work for 3 minutes to gather everything. It's ended up is copying the content into text sync. Then he tried to use some expose editor probably and try to preserve it in PDF or print it and not was able to do that. And then it asked, okay, what about text file? And we already waiting for, okay, looks like it's already finished. Jump to live. Okay, so it's go to some endless loop, probably 10 times, I believe, maybe more, maybe less. I think about 10 times. And he said content has been saved as text file, but there was an issue syncing it. I suggest using the original source for direct access. Would you like to proceed with that? Okay, let's think about some more specific task for the next day. And maybe we need to return and finish our moderation of our chatbot because it's still, I mean, our chatbot is working fine, of course. Where is it? It's here. um, working fine, of course. Yeah, we are here. And our chatbot, we haven't say anything. Yes, yesterday we fixed its voice mode. So now if I say, hello, everybody, this voice from Interstellar. So I don't remember the robot name from Interstellar, but let's say something like that. So we asked to say something our robot, and it should now our live chat should get it here and say something. Yes. Okay. It took it and
Hello, everybody. Live human.
okay, it said something. Chatbot decided to answer something like the chatbot is now set to respond with the voice from Interstellar. Feel free to ask. It's something or just enjoy the stream. Oh, so I asked to say that from the chatbot now set to respond with voice Interstellar. Interesting. So uh, if I ask something, mm, what is the water, for example? Let's say it's some comment. It's some comment. Well, so what it will
What is the water?
yeah, it's question coming from the chat, and now live chatbot will respond. It will respond. We can exchange the views. Okay, and we want to do that. Skip message. Really? Chatbot, please. I don't know what is the water. So what? Let's see. Now we should announce it,
Chatbot, please. I don't know what the water is.
and it's already replied. Let's say, okay, let's see how it answers your question about water. Just a moment. Oh no. Let's say chatbot, please return to normal and answer the last question. Looks like we broke our chatbot.
Chatbot, please return to normal and answer the last question.
It stopped recognize itself like chatbot. You are chatbot. Please answer. And okay.
You are Chatbot. Please answer.
Oh really? Oh really? I broke my chatbot. Uh so you know what? Let's copy my stream details and let's execute my chatbot, live chatbot with our stream once again. So, and let's ask, uh, and you chatbot, please. Okay, chatbot, please. I don't know what is the water if. So let's ask once again if and see if you fixed the chat or not. If not, We need to think about it really hard next time. I don't like my chatbot to respond like that. So let's see. It should get the message now.
Chatbot, please. I don't know what the water is.
Okay, and it's reply to us. It seems like the host is trying to ask a chatbot about something related to water, but the chatbot is not responding properly. They may need to fix or reset it. If you have a specific question about water, feel free to ask. Okay, looks like what is the water? So with our context of the stream, now it's not so nicely respond to me. We need to fix our most probably
What
we
is the
need to
water?
okay. Now my romantic chatbot start to respond me. Nice. Maybe it's identify my question as host because it understand that yeah, it gets the last context of what I'm talking. So maybe it's mixed and think, okay, looks I don't understand what he's want from me. So most probably if someone else will ask something, it will respond pretty well. Now it says that water is a colorless, odorless, and tasteless liquid essential for all forms of life. It's made of two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom. Water is vital for drinking, agriculture, and many industrial processes. If you want to know more specific details, let me know. So yeah, looks like it's fixed, but it's nice that it's couldn't treat itself not like a chatbot and not respond questions directly. Interesting. We probably need to work on the prompt more closely so it will not fall into that mode anymore. Okay, so I think that would be it for today. I'll have hopefully have start we'll start tomorrow much earlier and we will work on some code. Also, I think through the day if I could use our new operator for some interesting task. If you have anything in mind, please leave me a comment below the stream. I'll use that comment to think, and also we'll start our next stream with your comments. So please leave if you have any ideas, because operator looks like it's interesting thing. I haven't seen any news. Mm, I mean, any articles about it. I just saw one news on X, and that's it. I decided to read more on the stream and try it as we see, it's not good for every task. It's very specific. It should be a really good task for that because basic tasks, I'm more than sure that normal ChatGPT, even for OR, will do much better than operator. If you don't, I mean, if it's, yeah. So it's only interaction. Interaction, it's shine. If you just want like search, no, it will not shine at all. Okay, that's it. I wish you a great day. I hope you will follow the main principles of the channel. You will learn, you will accept environment and people around you. You will raise love inside you and you will share all of that values with others. And you will be ready to meet our new reality of AI rich world, which will come. And you see, it's very fast right now. Of course, it doesn't mean it would be different world tomorrow, but maybe in few years you will not recognize it. So yeah, let's see how it will move. But I had a feeling that it will move very fast, much faster than with cell phones or some other technologies. So hopefully you will be good, you will be safe. See you on my next streams or just drop a comments and see you whenever you are ready. Goodbye.